Hi there. So we have to update our WordPress core, different type of plugins in every month, weeks, and sometimes quarter. So what is the best approach to update your WordPress themes, plugins, and the WordPress core? So if you check this website, my current setup is 6.5.3 and the new update is 6.6.1, and there have 11 plugins that need to update to their latest version, and here is two themes that also need updates. So which update should I make at first? Should I update the theme at first, or should I update the plugins at first, or the WordPress core? What do you think? We should update the themes, plugins at first. It could be themes, it could be plugins, not the WordPress core. You can ask why this is, because if we are going to update the WordPress core to 6.6.1, our none of the outdated plugin is compatible with the latest version of the WordPress. So in this case, it could break our website. It could prevent to accessing our website. So we will be in trouble. If you check, it's 100% compatible with the current version of the WordPress, but not this one. This result is unknown. So will you take this risk to update the core at first and the themes plugins later on? No, you should not take this risk. You know, when you update the WordPress plugins to the latest version, it's already compatible with the 6.5.3 or the older version. Whenever a plugin theme's going to release, they always make sure the themes plugins is fully compatible with the latest version of the WordPress and their previous version. Might be not for the very older version like 4.5.3 or 5.5.3, but it's on the actual 6.x.x. So, but sometimes you might face issue, but you know, it's very nearest version of our current version, so it should be fully compatible with the latest version of those plugins. So what you should do, you should just select all plugins and make the update from there. So click to update plugins, and it depends on the server speed, and after a few seconds it should be updated. So let's wait for a moment. Another question is, if during the update window, if our internet goes down or somehow I press to reload button, so what will happen? You might face a maintenance mode. If the update is interrupted, then you will go back to your hosting server looking for the maintenance mode folder. It will be .maintenance. So you will have to enable hidden files folder. Then you will find this, just delete this folder, then you can access back your website. So our all plugins has been updated to the latest version. So we are good to go. So now it's time to update our themes. Go back to the updates, and then we will select all the themes and click to update. So let's select and click to update theme. It should not take a longer time, just a few seconds. And yeah, it's already updated. Now we are all good to update our WordPress core to the latest version. Let's just skip this notice. Okay. Now click to update to the WordPress 6.6. And right now, if you check the website, you will see it's working fine. As you see, the dashboard is working. That means it's all good. So click to update to the WordPress core. Voila. it's updated to the latest version of the WordPress. Now you see everything is working smoothly. So this is the best way to update WordPress when you are going to do a major update. Always ensure your all themes and plugins updated to the latest version at the beginning, and then going to update your WordPress code so everything will be working smoothly. But for security purpose, you should always take a full backup before the major update. So if anything goes wrong, you can always come back and restore your website from the backup. This way you will be always on the safe side. I hope this video will help you to update your WordPress and manage the WordPress even more secure way and safer way. Thanks for watching the video and see you on the next time.